If you're thinking about using Miro for your team's collaboration, there are a few things you need to know before buying. In this video, I'll break down 7 key points that will help you decide if Miro is the right fit for you, especially when compared to its competitors like Microsoft Whiteboard, Lucidchart, and Mural. Before we dive in, make sure you check the first link below for the best free trial offer available, and you can try Miro for yourself with exclusive benefits. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for the details at the end of the video. Let's get into it. First off, Miro's most obvious strength is its flexibility. Whether you're brainstorming, mapping processes, or designing workflows, Miro offers an incredibly versatile canvas that you can use with your team. Unlike other tools like Microsoft Whiteboard or Lucidchart, Miro's interface feels more dynamic, offering features like sticky notes, shapes, and connectors that can be dragged around freely. This makes collaboration in real time a breeze, but this flexibility does come with a slight learning curve for those who are new to visual collaboration tools. Next thing to consider is Miro's integration options. It connects seamlessly with popular tools like Slack, Jira, and Google Drive. This makes it an ideal choice if your team is already using these platforms. However, while Miro is highly flexible, competitors like Mural and Lucidchart also have a solid set of integrations, but they tend to focus on more specific use cases. For example, Lucidchart might be a better choice if you're looking for in-depth diagramming features for technical teams. The third thing to know is the user experience. Miro is known for its intuitive interface, which allows even non-technical team members to feel comfortable navigating it. Its ease of use sets it apart from Mural, which has a steeper learning curve. However, if you're used to more technical tools like Lucidchart, Miro's drag-and-drop simplicity could feel a bit limiting when it comes to detailed, precise diagramming. The fourth thing to note is pricing. Miro offers a free plan that gives you a basic set of features, which is great for small teams or those who want to test out the platform before committing. But once you start scaling up, the cost can get quite high. Mural, on the other hand, has a slightly more affordable pricing structure for teams on a budget. If you're looking for a long-term solution, Miro's higher tier plans do offer more advanced features, but they might not be ideal for smaller teams who don't need them. The fifth thing is collaboration. Miro really shines in this area. The real-time collaboration tools are fantastic. Multiple team members can work on the same board at once, and you can easily leave comments and feedback directly on the canvas. It's also easier to share boards with external collaborators, which is a huge advantage over some competitors. While Lucidchart also allows collaboration, Miro's user-friendly interface and simple sharing features put it ahead in this regard. Next thing to consider is the templates. Miro offers a huge library of pre-built templates for everything from business planning to design sprints. This saves you tons of time setting up boards, and compared to competitors like Microsoft Whiteboard or Lucidchart, Miro's library is far more extensive. The downside? If you don't take the time to familiarize yourself with them, you might end up overwhelmed by the sheer number of options. Finally, Miro's mobile app. Miro's mobile version is good for quick updates and viewing boards on the go, but if you're trying to fully collaborate or create on a small screen, it's not as seamless as using the desktop version. Mural's mobile app, for example, is often regarded as more robust when it comes to mobile experience, but Miro's desktop experience is second to none when it comes to smooth, fluid collaboration. So, should you buy Miro? It depends. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use collaboration tool with a wide range of integrations, and you don't mind paying a little extra for advanced features, Miro is a great choice. But if you're working with a budget or need a tool for more technical diagramming, you might want to consider alternatives like Lucidchart or Mural. And remember, if you want to try out Miro, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this offer to experience Miro for yourself.